Ano, how about this class? Magtatanong muna ako mula sa class na to. Hindi ba yung pwede natin magkaroon dito, Teacher Jack? I wanna get to know you guys. Huwag kayo na makalayo sa akin! Hoy! Ha? Sino pwede dito? Come on, come on. Let's get some breather first before you. Hi! I think I know you. I think I know. Hi, what's your name, Abigail? Natalia! Asan yung family ni Natalia dito sa crowd? Do you see them? Oh, there we go. Hey, you tell your ate to make TikTok. To make a TikTok account. Maybe she can grow there and, you know, get known globally. Pero, baby girl, what's your message para kay Teacher Jack? Yan. I think si Teacher Jack. Sige, makaiyak siya. Paiyak mo sa Teacher Jack. Yun na yun. What's your message to all the kids like you out there na they wanna try dancing, they wanna be like you, wearing this, colorful, Teacher Jack's favorite color? Any message mo? Yun na.
You can improve on dancing and...
I love that you love your performance. How about sa class naman ito?